Oopsie, pole.
What tire pressure do you prefer on which obstacles and why?
Like a Jeffy. What's it called?
Come.
So, on the pump track, I like it soft, but sometimes hard. I like it soft because I like the sound. It goes. And then on the berms, you can go, and you can roost the berm, so you go, and it makes sprays dust into my GoPro.
On the rocks, I prefer the soft tire because there's a lot more traction, and you stick to the road. You kind of drive the bike goes where you drive it.
We are inflating and deflating our tires to see which one is better for stuff. So for the pump track, I think we all agreed that harder tire pressure was better in a way.
And what about the rock garden?
And the rock garden, definitely low pressure. And for the jumps, we've just done low pressure, so we're going to try high pressure.
Nice!
Get out of here.
Nice, eh?
What's happening?
Kennedy, what tire pressure do you prefer on which obstacles and why?
Pump track, low cause high, low cause it's really hard to pick up speed, and yeah, there's just so much resistance. High cause it just rolls faster and you're able to pick up speed and keep the momentum that you need through the pump track. Rock garden, low. Yes.